Alright, here's a longer video to show my exact exhaust setup. I do not have a catback setup. If you notice right here, that's where the new piping starts, as opposed to the original. This is a 2003 Nissan Xterra. It's the 3.3 liter V6. And to get an aggressive sound, I'm using it. This is a Cherry Bomb Extreme muffler. Having a little trouble with focus here. As you can see by the size of my hand underneath it, not a very big muffler at all. And it goes out right there. Slide around. You can see where the pipes go off. This goes around the spare tire to curve around to come out, exit the other side. And this one is more like the original stock setup. As you can see, that pipe goes straight out the back. And I will crawl from under my car now to show you the sound. Hopefully this should be a little bit better quality, since I have a lot better quality camera than when I did the first time.